If you are asked about your future ambition, would you probably say you want to be a doctor, lawyer, engineer, or even a banker? I'm sure you will shun away from being a mechanic, teacher, farmer, or driver. With how fast the world is evolving, all of your choices are reducing in the value because people are breaking themselves into new ideas that are different from the ordinary, and also because having just one way of making money cannot satisfy your numerous wants and needs. The important thing to do is to focus on the right skills that would make you stand out among your peers. Some of these skills are communication and creative skills that give you an edge when you talk and help you bring new and great ideas. You also need good economics and intellectual skills to give you financial and advanced academic understanding. In conclusion, skills are the knowledge and ability to carry out a good idea, but while having a skill is important, you should never forget to put those skills into practice. See you in next class. Bye.